Bacon Bliss, the ultimate grilled cheese. All you're going to need on this one are 4 items: Texas toast, Kraft cheese slices, bacon, and some margarine and or butter. Spread margarine or butter on one side of your Texas toast and place into a hot cast iron pan, and let's toast up the one side of that bread. Time to build up your grilled cheese sandwich. Place the toasted side down on top of your bed of bacon. Add your cheese slices, cover with the other piece of bread, toast side out, and begin to wrap your grilled cheese sandwich. Try to weave your bacon nice and tight, just so it doesn't fall apart, and then when it's time, flip it over onto another 4 slices of bacon and try to weave it as best as possible, nice and tight. Time to place your bacon into your cast iron pan. Place the sandwich seam side down to start. See if you can get that all closed up so it does not come apart while cooking. Grill both sides of your sandwich up and then finish off in the oven. You could definitely use this recipe on the smoker. I just didn't have time to set everything up, and I felt like the stove was the best option for me. Just let it definitely cool for a couple minutes here. It is hot, and I'm not sure how the inside's going to be. Hopefully it's nice and melty and gooey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that little bell.